Happy New Year and welcome back to the show, the 6T. This is going to be a year where we're finding out how voice AI is going to be taking over, and the shift is going to go upward, and it's just going to keep on going upward. And what I mean by that is a lot of people, we type to AI, but using our voice is going to be able to go ahead and have a more dynamic approach. We're seeing this in the business world, and what I mean by that is that voice AI are able to go ahead and talk to your customers and tell them exactly what's going on in their business, book meetings, answer questions, schedule appointments, yada, 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 right? And what we're going to be seeing in the future is how that is going to go ahead and just be a mainstay. And small businesses are going to be able to go ahead and, I would say, scale up. And the tool that they're going to be able to go ahead and use is going to be Retell AI. I'm going to go ahead and take a deep dive into this. I really like Retell AI. I think I'll probably say a plethora of videos ago, I did Retell AI, but I just want to go ahead and bring this back just so I can go ahead and show you guys why Retell AI is going to be your number one platform for voice AI and texting as well. Let's get into it. All right, so what we're going to do is that we're going to come to retellai.com. You're going to go /pricing, just so you guys can go ahead and see the pricing that you would need to do one of two things. Either have this for your business or be able to go ahead and sell this to small businesses. Right here is what I would suggest you go with. It's just the pay as you go, because it's going to be zero to start. They're going to give you basically self-serve. And then I believe it's like $10 for free if this is your first account. And then after that, you're able to go ahead and say 7 cents a minute, less than a penny for your AI chat agents. And then this is all good right here. There you go. See, $10 for free. And then you can do 20 free congruent calls. So if you are in sales and you are doing this and you already made your outreach and you've already called them, or if you are a dentist office and you need to go ahead and call just to go ahead and confirm the appointments, you can actually have your AI call your customers, call your leads. Well, with the leads, you have to, with the leads, just so I don't get sued, you have to make sure that you actually have first contact. So it has to be a human, and then this would have to be a follow-up. But you get what I'm saying. But it could do more than 20 calls at one time. So again, you don't have that one person that you're paying 10, 15, 25, I don't know, making those calls. You can go ahead and make sure you're getting that there. And then I'll jump into the knowledge base, because it can also feed off of your knowledge base and not go guessing as to the information that it needs to give. It can be specific to your business, your customer's business, that industry. And I'm not really a big fan of this, but they do have support. Let's go ahead and jump into the platform itself, so that way we can kind of see exactly what you'll be getting and how it looks. All right, so what we're seeing here is we're seeing Retell AI's dashboard. The big thing about this dashboard that we want to make sure that we understand is, one, when you go in here, you're going to go and see the agents, and you're going to be able to go and create your agents depending on the department or depending on the space, if it's for you or for your client. This is the easiest way to go and do it. Again, you're going to get $10 for free, so you might as well start playing around with this. Whatever agent that you decide to go ahead and create, it's really that simple. You would just create an agent, create a voice or a chat agent. If you have, let's just say that you've just created a voice agent, you still have the ability to create a chat one as well. So you can always just create voice to go ahead and get started, and then turn it into a chat. The big thing here is that when you click to open this, you have the ability to go ahead and see a couple of things. I just want to point out just a couple of things, and then we're going to kind of finish the demo, and you guys can come in here and play around and do whatever you need to do. One is that you're going to go ahead and see exactly multilingual. I would pick multilingual because if you are or you have clients that prefer to speak another language, you have the ability to go ahead and make sure that it can switch seamlessly to go ahead and answer questions or do whatever you need during that conversation. And then two is that here, this is going to be probably the most important is that think of it as a job description. What can my agent do? And this is the way that you're going to be able to go ahead and just make sure that you're writing exactly what your agent is supposed to do, how they're supposed to be cordial and have the conversation with your client or with your lead or whoever your voice agent is interacting with. Then you would just go ahead and hit publish, or you can go ahead and do the simulation there. A couple of other things that I want to go ahead and make sure that I'm pointing out is that you have the ability to go ahead and transfer. Now with transfer, you can go ahead and transfer the agent to another agent if you wanted to, or you can go ahead and make sure that you're transferring it to you or to a live person. So this is going to be something that is new. This is just a new update. So this is something that you guys should be able to go ahead and take full advantage of. And then the big thing here is going to be knowledge base. The big thing with the knowledge base is that if you don't want your agent just rambling, you want to make sure that your agent is able to go ahead and pull information from either your PDFs or your website. This is where you'd be able to go ahead and set it in and just make sure that you're able to go ahead and click here, and then you can go ahead and enter the type of documents you want to go ahead and add, text, upload files, which is PDFs and whatnot, and then the website that you want to go ahead and make sure it's pulling the information from. You can have all three, and then you'll be able to go ahead and put that towards the agent, so that way the agent only knows that knowledge base. And then the batch calls is that if you are, let's just say, customer facing, and you have a lot of appointments, and you want to go ahead and make sure that you don't necessarily need to call, let's say, 100 people in a day or 80 dials in a day, and just remind them of their appointments. You have the ability to go ahead and do 20 congruent calls at a time. So you can go ahead and not spend all day making those calls and saying, hey, you have an appointment. Hey, you have an appointment. You can go ahead and just do 20. So if you do 20 at a time in 1 hour, you can do 100, right? 20 at a time. Let's just say that it takes 10 minutes. In 1 hour, you can be done with your callbacks. And then here it's going to go ahead and tell you exactly how the agent might have performed. If there was any calls, it'll let you know. It'll say, hey, no valid. Oh, well, this is still valid payment. That's because I was on the demo. But before I went blank, it is going to go ahead and let you know a minute 13, 15 cents that costs. And then here you're able to go ahead and jump in, listen to the call recording, download it if you wanted to. It's going to go ahead and let you know a little bit of things as to how did it end? Was it successful? Was it positive? Who hung up? And then it's also going to go ahead and show you the transcript down there. And then lastly, it's going to be the same thing, but really the last is going to be how are you going to be able to either talk to your potential customers that you're going to be selling voice AI, SMS AI to. You want to make sure that you're showing them data. They need to be able to go ahead and explore the data. Once they explore the data, this is the analytics. They can go ahead and take a look and see exactly how that agent is performing, and then be able to go ahead and quickly analyze and see, if you can go ahead and do A/B testing. But the big thing here is Retell AI allows you to go ahead and do this seamlessly, quickly, and get up and running. And it's a pay-as-you-go. You can't lose with a pay-as-you-go. And they give you $10 to start off with. So I want you guys to go ahead and make sure that you are starting off with the free $10. Just go to retellai.com and understand that you can go ahead and start reaching out or having your customers reach out to you, and you don't have to go ahead and send them a voicemail. You can actually have voice AI that sounds human, have a real conversation with your leads or clients, and then be able to close more deals. But other than that, that's all I have for us today. Yeah, that's it. I have nothing else. I think I should be able to go ahead and say peace.